हेलो एवरीवन। आज हम स्टार्ट करेंगे गेट फिजिक्स 2024 के क्लासिकल मैकेनिक्स के सॉल्यूशन को। तो जो प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन पेपर था 2024 का, तो उसका है क्वेश्चन क्लासिकल मैकेनिक्स का, उसको हम सॉल्व करने जा रहे हैं। तो क्लासिकल मैकेनिक्स में हमारा जो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है वो था 1 मार्क्स में आया था ये क्वेश्चन। इफ F1 Q is equals to capital Q small q, is the generating function of a canonical transformation from PQ to capital PQ। तो हमें बताना था कि which one of the following relations is correct। तो इनमें से फर्स्ट ऑप्शन था हमारे पास स्मॉल p कैपिटल P इज इक्वल टू कैपिटल Q स्मॉल q। देन सेकेंड ऑप्शन था कैपिटल P स्मॉल p इज इक्वल टू कैपिटल Q स्मॉल q। देन थर्ड ऑप्शन था स्मॉल p कैपिटल P इज इक्वल टू माइनस कैपिटल Q स्मॉल q। देन हमारे पास जो डी नंबर का ऑप्शन था वो है स्मॉल p कैपिटल P स्मॉल अपॉन स्मॉल p माइनस कैपिटल Q अपॉन स्मॉल q। तो ये हमारे पास क्वेश्चन था कि इफ फंक्शन इज द जनरेटिंग फंक्शन ऑफ अ कैनोनिकल ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन फ्रॉम PQ to PQ, then which one of the following relation are correct? Then four options are given below. Then we have to find out the solution from these. So how we solve this question? So in this question, because F1 is equals to capital Q small q, so small p is equals to del F1 by del Q is equals to capital Q. This is our first equation, and capital P is equals to minus del F1 is equals to minus small. Then from equation first and second, what we get? Small p upon capital P is equals to minus capital Q upon small q. Then which of the solution is relation is correct here? So option C. Then next question we get proceed. So our next question is let row vector p vector q t be the face space density of an ensemble of a system. The Hamiltonian of the system is capital H vector p vector q if a b denotes the Poisson bracket of A and B, then d rho by dt. Then d rho by dt implies option A, del rho by del t is equals to 0. Then option B, del rho by del t is proportional to rho and h. Then next option is del rho by del t is proportional to rho vector p dot vector q upon 2. Then option D is del rho by del t is directly proportional to rho vector q dot vector q by 2. So these are 4 options here. So let rho be the phase space density of an ensemble of a system. Then Hamiltonian of the system is this. Then del rho by del t implies if AB denotes the Poisson bracket of capital A, B. So how we solve this question? So students, we have to know about the time evolution of a function rho vector p dot vector q vector p ब्रैकेट है डॉट नहीं है q है t टू d rho by dt is equals to rho h plus del rho by del t. Then if del rho by del t is equals to 0, then del rho by del t is equals to minus rho h. So from this way we have solution B. Okay. So our next question is, an inertial observer sees two spacecraft capital S and capital T flying away from each other along x axis with individual speed 0.5 c, where c is the speed of light, है ना? The speed of t with respect to capital S is A 4/5c, option B 4/3c, then C, then 2/3c. So how we solve this question? So here we t with respect to s, velocity with respect to s, 0.5 c minus 0.5 c upon 1 minus 0.5 c minus 0.5 c by c square. 5. So here 4/5 c. When we solve this, we get this. So we have obtained solution A. So our next question is, next question carry 2 marks. So consider the Lagrangian capital L is equals to mx dot y dot minus m omega 0 square xy if px and py denote the generalized momenta conjugate to x and y respectively, then the canonical equations of motion are option A, x dot is equals to px by m, p dot x is equals to minus m omega 0 square x, y dot is equals to py upon m, py dot is equals to minus m omega 0 square y. B, C, then D. X dot is equals to px by m. Then option C is x dot is equals to px by m. Py dot is equals to p dot y is equals to m omega 0 square x. So Lagrangian L is equals to this if px and py denote generalized momenta conjugate to x and y. Then canonical equation of motion are. So how we solve this question? So here px is equals to del L by del x dot is equals to my dot. Y dot is equals to px by m. Py is equals to del L by del y dot is equals to mx dot. X dot is equals to py by m. Px dot is equals to by del x minus m omega 0 square y. Py dot is equals to del L by del y is equals to minus m omega 0 square x. So this is the way how we solve this question. So next question, the equation of motion for the forced simple harmonic oscillator is x double dot t plus omega square x t is equals to f cos omega t. Where x t is equals to 0 is equals to 0. and x dot t is equals to 0 is equals to 0, then which one of the following options is correct? So option A, x t is directly proportional to t sine omega t. Then option B is equals to xt is directly proportional to cos omega t. Option C is equals to xt is equals to infinite. Then option D, xt is directly proportional to e to the power omega t. So in this question we try to solve option A, then option B, then option C and option D individually, or check by putting the value of t. We basically check. So option 1, here xt is equals to c1t sine omega t. At t is equals to 0, then store xt is equals to 0 is equals to 0. Then second option, x dot t is equals to c1 sine omega t plus c1 omega t cos omega t. At t is equals to 0, x dot t is equals to 0 is equals to 0. So our solution is option A. Option A is our solution in this question. Then our next question is Lagrangian of a particle of mass m is capital L is equal to 1 by 2m x dot square minus lambda x to the power 4, where lambda is a positive constant. If the particle oscillates with total energy capital E, then the time period of oscillations is A integral of from 0 to e to the power e upon lambda to the power 1 by 4 dx upon under root 2 by m e minus lambda x to the power 4. So the value of a is in integer. So this question asked about the Lagrangian of a particle of mass m is L is equals to this, then where lambda is a positive constant. If the particle oscillate with an total energy E, then the time period of oscillation is what? Then the time period of oscillation is this. Then the value of A is what? So how we solve this question? Then because from 0 to t dt is equals to dt 4 0 to e by lambda dx upon v. Okay, so t is equal to 4. Dx upon alpha is equals to 4 because E is equals to 1 upon 2 mv square plus lambda x to the power 4. So how we solve this question? This way. From 0 to t we integrate and dt is equals to is equals to 4 from 0 to 0 e by lambda 1 by 4 dx by v. Here t is equals to the 4 and this here alpha is equals to 4 because E is equals to mv square minus lambda x by 4. Then we have option. And then we have a solution 4. So for a, the value of a is equals to 4. So through this question, our classical mechanics part 2020-24 GATE physics solution is complete. So our next lecture is electromagnetic theory. So to be continued, and please subscribe, like and share and comment if you have any doubt. We try to sort out any problem you face. So okay, thank you.